Hey guys, I'm Chef Latoya Panton and welcome to my kitchen. Today I have with me Minister Tufton and Khalia Hall, Miss Jamaica World 2021. And we have here from the Heart Foundation, Dr. Suarez Winter, clinical nutritionist. So guys, today we're going to be preparing a heart-friendly dish. So it's a veggie pasta with a pumpkin coconut sauce with some gungo peas. All right, so I'm going to walk you through and you guys can show me your stuff. Yes. As we cook this up. Yes. All right. So I have prepared for you the ingredients. So I have lots of ingredients here prepped for you. So Khalia, you can turn on the stove and we're gonna get going. In the meantime, Minister Tufton, you could mash our pumpkin. And this is a pretty quick dish, especially, let's say you have leftovers, even leftover pumpkin. Yesterday you did some boiled pumpkin, you have leftovers. This is a good way to turn it into something else. And a big part of this meal is vegetables, which are so important.
And I want to say that these vegetables are right from your garden right here. Right. It's a perfect backdrop.
Very fresh.
Fresh is always better, right?
So Minister Tufton, in the meantime, we have a can of gungo peas there.
All right.
We're going to rinse this, and this is to reduce the sodium content of our canned peas.
Isn't that lovely? Amazing. I feel hungry already.
All right, so now we're gonna add to this a cup of coconut milk, and you guys can go ahead and add those. Right. And we have a cup of vegetable stock. So that's our freshly grated and squeezed coconut and our vegetable stock. If you don't have vegetable broth, you can always use water.
A soup, no?
So this is now the sauce for your pasta.
Okay. But we'll allow it to reduce?
Yeah, we're gonna let it reduce a bit and then we will add our pasta to it. So our sauce is reduced and now you are going to season and taste and adjust. And then we're going to add our pasta and our extra seasonings.
Another health tip there. Too much salt isn't good for you. Not good for your heart at all, right? And we have a population with a lot of hypertension, so we have to manage the salt intake.
So this is one thing, a lot of people when they hear vegetarian, they're thinking not a lot of flavor, but that is far from the truth. Vegetarian is a delicious way to go.
Of course. Because you're tasting the fresh ingredients.
Freshness of everything. And that's the thing, you should be able to taste your food.
It's good.
You can add a bit of nutmeg to this.
Yeah, I'll help with that, sorry.
Right. And then that's good.
That's good.
And then we're going to add
everything, right?
We're going to add our pasta. So this is a final quick step now. We're just going to toss this in and add our scallion and we're done. And that's it. So basically you're just putting it together now just to coat your pasta, warm up your pasta if you had it pre-cooked, and you're done.
All right. You want to do the honors?
No man, you have it in your hand, so.
All right guys, look.
Wow.
And if you want this, you can make this sauce here if you want to, depending on how you like it. Okay. If you like your pasta really nice and saucy. And we have a beautiful salad here.
Right from the garden.
Right, fresh from the garden. I always love to say that the heart of my vegetables is still beating. When it's on the plate, it's still really fresh.
There we go.
And you know, one thing we love to do, just to have something to go with the meal, if you need a beverage, and infused water is always a good choice. There's no sugar, getting all the goodness from the fruits. And so we have some infused, some melon.
So just water and
it's just water and the fruit, the melon right here now.
That's good.
So this is our finished dish, guys, and it's our veggie pasta.
Can't wait to taste.
Okay, so let us get our...
Is it time to eat?
All right, guys, let's all taste together.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Get a little bit of everything, the gungo, sweet pepper.
Madam?
This is good.
I think teamwork makes the dream work, right?
Yes, this is really delicious.
Yeah.
It is.
That's very good.
And let me ask you, in terms of nutrients, this is a meatless
This is a meatless dish.
Meatless dish.
You're getting your protein from your gungo peas.
Okay.
And you're getting your lots of vitamins,
Vitamins.
minerals are coming through. We have a lot of fresh stuff in here, which is very important.
So for affairs of the heart, it's always better to be fresh
Fresh.
and to get colors, and you get a more balanced, nutritious meal, as is the case now, which is why I want some more of this. Right?
Right, and then also just cooking with what you can identify, very important. So,
Well, let me thank you for having us on our behalf. Thanks to the Heart Foundation for sponsoring, organizing this. This is a lovely location. You have your backyard garden, you have your colorful vegetables, and the menu, of course, is a very nutritious menu. So thanks a lot. And to you out there, please remember, the heart is very important for wellness, for happiness, for longevity of life, for quality of life. So please take this seriously. It's a nice, fun occasion, but it's an important message that you take care of your heart to avoid any premature illness or worse, even death. Thank you very much.
you're welcome.
Thank you, Latoya.
Thank you guys
Thanks for having
being
us.
here.